Hello students, welcome to NARS Education channel. Today let us start a new lesson. Name of the lesson is The Happy Prince. This is from your Moments textbook and it is written by Oscar Wilde. Here Happy Prince was a beautiful statue. Okay, he was covered with gold. That statue was covered with gold. He had sapphires for eyes. That statue had sapphires for eyes. Sapphires means precious stone or valuable stone in blue color. Okay, precious stone in blue color which we use in ornaments. Okay, for the decoration purpose in ornaments we use sapphires. Okay, he had sapphires for eyes and a ruby in his sword, and also he had a ruby in his sword. Sword ruby means that is also a precious stone in red color. Okay, precious stone in red color. Why did he want to part with all the gold that he had and his precious stones? But in the lesson we are about to come to know that he wants to part with all the gold he had and his precious stones. Here part with means to give up possession or control of something. He decided to leave his possession or ownership over gold and those precious stones. What made him to do so? Why did he decide to part with gold and precious stones? That thing we are going to say in this lesson. Okay. Now let us start the lesson. High above the city, on a tall column, stood a statue of Happy Prince. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes he had two bright sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. See here, high above the city, in the high area of the city, on a tall column. Column means, you see here, a solid upright structure designed usually to support a longer structure above it. This is just like a platform. On that the statue can be put. Okay. So on the tall column stood a statue of Happy Prince. On that tall column, Happy Prince statue was standing. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of gold. He was gilded. Gilded means covered with thin leaves of gold. For eyes he had two bright sapphires. Okay, for eyes he had sapphires, two sapphires, bright sapphires, and large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. And a large red ruby glowed, shining on his sword hilt. Hilt means handle. Okay. In the handle of the sword there was a shining red ruby. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. Yes, one night there flew over the city a little swallow. A little swallow. Swallow means a kind of bird. That bird flew over the city in which there was Happy Prince statue. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before. That swallow's friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. Now this swallow is going to Egypt. All day long he flew, and at night time he arrived at the city. So all day long he flew. Okay. And night time he came to that city. Where shall I put up? He said. I hope the town has made preparations. And he said to himself, where shall I put up? Where shall I stay today? Here, put up means stay temporarily in accommodation other than one's own house. Okay. Stay in a place temporarily. Okay. So he asked himself, where shall I put up? Where shall I stay today? And he said, I hope the town has made preparations. This town has made preparation. I have to search such place. Probably one or the other place will be there where I can stay. Then he saw the statue on the tall column. At that time he saw that statue on the tall column. Okay, which statue? Statue of Happy Prince. I will put up there, he cried. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. So he alighted just between the feet of the Happy Prince. I will put up there. I will stay there. I will take rest there today. He cried. It is fine position with plenty of fresh air. Yeah, this is the fine place with plenty of fresh air. So he alighted. He alighted means he landed or came to rest. Okay. He came to rest just between the feet of Happy Prince. He came and he landed between the feet of Happy Prince. I have a golden bedroom, he said softly to himself as he looked round, and he prepared to go to sleep. Yes, then he said to himself, I have golden bedroom. You know that statue, it is covered with gold. So he said, I have a golden bedroom. He said softly to himself as he looked round. He looked once around and he said, I have golden bedroom. And he prepared to go to sleep. He was about to sleep. But just as he putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. Yes, he was about to sleep. That's why he was putting his head under his wing. Usually some birds, they sleep like that. Okay, keeping their head under their wings, they sleep. He was also about to sleep like that. Then a large drop of water fell on him. All of a sudden, a large drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing, he cried. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright. And yet it is raining. Then he said, what a curious thing it is. There is not a single cloud in the sky. Stars are quite clear. I can see the stars in the sky. This whole sky is bright, and yet it is raining. Then also it is raining. Then another drop fell. While he was telling like that, another drop of water fell on him. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.